The weather is beautiful here in sunny Southeast Florida and perfect for attending the West Palm Beach RV show. Let's check it out. There's a lot here to see, but let's take a peek into some of the units that caught my eye. I'm standing in front of the Grand Design Momentum 399. This is a 40-foot toy hauler with 2 outdoor patios. Let's take a look inside. Wow. I just love the space that you have on the outside of this. This model is a 5th wheel. Nice outdoor TV. Here is the toy hauler area. Nice. And your second outdoor patio. Looks like you have a half bath here. And there's 2 sofas that look like they lay flat, and also a bed that comes down from the ceiling, which is really nice. Wow, look at the size of that sofa. You are ready for a party in this one. Mandatory fireplace. Huge refrigerator. Really love the island. We are taking a look at the Cedar Creek Champagne 5th wheel. Now this is a big boy here for sure. Let's see. Let's go straight up into the bed area. Looks like you have a massive bedroom, nice king-size bed, tons of storage, walk-in closet. Looks like you have hookups for a washer dryer there if you decide to put one in. Really nice closet. Nice walk-in bathroom area. Huge shower. I love the double sinks in here. That's really pretty. The beautiful styling continues in the family and kitchen area. So you can see there's plenty of space here for a large number of people to relax. 2 sofas, a large TV, fireplace, but the kitchen is really spectacular. If you notice the, I believe it's a granite backsplash, is gorgeous. Full-size stainless steel appliances. A huge refrigerator. More of that beautiful backsplash. Very, very nice. I'm in the Airstream display, standing in front of their base camp model and their nest model. Now these are ultralight Airstreams that are compact, easy to tow with most anything. I don't know if you've seen them before, but I'm going to take you inside. Okay, so this is the base camp, and it has the classic Airstream design. This is the kitchenette area. Plenty of storage. I love the windows and the nose cap here. You have your convection oven down there. And let's see how many. 2 burners. Nice sink area. Now in the back you have 2 beds. Looks like you can put in a table there. Plenty of storage up top. And a nice wet shower here. Now, What's really nice is that the door in the back here, so you can open this up and put your toys in here when you're traveling. But really love the design in this. Let's walk over and take a look at the nest. Okay. This is the nest, and it is quite similar to the base camp. It is a little bit bigger. This one's 16 feet.
That's the first one when you walk in. And they're Amish built. Yeah, I like it. Those are pretty big. 30 right?
Okay.
This thing's been attacking you all day.
This one is 16 feet and a little bit more space in here. You have the dinette that makes into a large bed there in the evenings. You have the wraparound windows up in the nose cap. This is the kitchen area here. Plenty of space. Nice refrigerator right there. Convection oven. This is closet, and let's check the bathroom. Nice wet shower there. Again, classic Airstream styling. Very, very pretty. Okay, we're taking a look at the KZ Spree Escape tent camper here. Now, looks like this is 18 feet. That would be, of course, with the tents up. One of them makes into a nice, looks like full-size bed. You have plenty of space in here for a family of 4, but you know, you have the bed up in the tent there, but this dinette looks like it also makes into a bed, and the sofa, I am guessing, lays down and makes, yep, it's a jackknife sofa to make into another bed. There's your nice little kitchen area, everything you need. Nice wood paneled Norcold refrigerator, sorry about that. Check the bathroom. Oh, very nice. Corner shower there. Gives you plenty of room and a tight space. I like it. Yeah, this would be a perfect starter camper for a young family, or you know, if you're looking for something lightweight to tow, this is a great option. A great little entry-level toy hauler here. This is the Salem Fsx. You have a nice size bed area here. Nice walk-in bathroom, plenty of space in there. The kitchenette area. It's like both of those look like they make twin beds. Plenty of storage for toys in here. It looks like those sides fold up there on the ramp to make an outdoor patio. Okay, I am inside a Regency Rv. I believe this is the Ultra Brougham model, and this is beautiful in a very compact setting. I have a nice L-shaped kitchen here. There is a sofa. Looks like those two probably fold open possibly to make a twin bed, or it may just be for storage, but I see a hinge down there. This particular model has the 2 twin beds, and I'm betting, based upon the fact that this folds open, that you have a pad to make that into a king if you like. Now let's see what our bathroom looks like. Nice walk-in bathroom right here on this side, and there is your shower. Very nice. It's amazing what they can fit into a B+ van. And I have to tell you, this AC is phenomenal. It's cranking in here. Oh, nice fridge. I love all of the leather detail in here. This is very, very high quality. Looks like we got the Mercedes chassis on here, but this one's absolutely gorgeous. And you can see it down at the West Palm Beach RV show. Here is the outside of that Regency the Ultra Brougham that we just took a look at. Very, very nice. Please, if you like the video, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe.